G'day all, I'm just doing an update. I've got the tank out here and that's just coagulating some stuff. Actually it's citric acid. Just buy it in bulk, chuck it in there, bit of water, see what that does. So far what we've done is we've done a fair bit in the shed. A lot of help from Jack, of course, and that's been great. What we've done is we'll just have a look around first, just that there's not any hidden obstacles that I might trip over. Getting old, I think. Alright, just spin it around. And got the carbies in the other day, plus the airbox. Happy about that. We've got the wiring just about hooked up. We haven't got the dash in yet. That'll go in probably last, so it's a fairly straightforward fit with these plugs. So pretty right about that. The carbies, we cleaned out all the jets in it. The idle jets were really blocked, and that we had to use implements of destruction to get those apart. We polished up some side bits, make it look presentable. As you saw in previous videos, got the foot pegs to put up and done the side stand. That's alright. We've got the front brakes coming next week. They're new ones. The guy that owns the bike, he found a set of new ones that he ordered years ago and sat there quite some time on that, so we'll fit those next week. We've got the clutch side cover on. It's not bolted up as yet, but that's alright. Get some bolts for that. I just used the old screws for it rather than buying new ones. Cleaned them up really good, some acid bath and that, and come up pretty good. Back brakes all in, I think you saw all that. We've got the top part done, the bars are in, pad, key switch, so we'll fit the throttle next couple of days. What we're tackling here is the dashboard. Now, the other ones that I've rebuilt, I've actually taken the globes out and cleaned up these brass, steel frame things, holder things, and I can't get these globes out, so I'm not going to force them out. I'll just clean it up as best I can whilst it's all in situ. Not ideal, but I'll clean up all the components. We've got a new piece of glass coming. Now I'm a little bit concerned about that because the glass in it is so thin, you just sort of breathe on it and it just breaks. So, as I've found out quite a few years ago, oh my god, have to make up a gasket for that. That's the breather on the top of the bike, so we'll do that in the next couple of days. Cleaned up the rear shocks and they're just drying out at the moment. They don't look too bad. There's still a little bit of rust on the surface here. It's not too bad. So don't look too bad for 1979. So that's a long time to be sitting around on a bloody bike. That's about all. Have to work out what to do with these switch blocks. These have been butchered. The wires have fallen off. There's 2 wires there that aren't connected. So I've got to take it apart, find the culprits, extend them and solder them. All of that with my really good steady hands. So stay tuned again and we'll see how we go. Right. Well, film it, and if it's no fucking good, I'll bloody take it off. How's that?
Yeah, that's it.
Right, we just drop it up there over that. What about I do stick a rag on there or something?
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get it off.
Ready?
Yep.
Again.
Up your end.
Up.
That's it. You've got it?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep. Looks like we gotta bring him up just a little bit.
Tilt it up.
Yeah.
Tilt the front up.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit back. We'll get the back part in.
Pretty close to there now.
Yeah,
On this side.
wires caught up in there.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Pull it forwards.
No, they're out.
Oh, you got them out?
Just there, Jack. It's just there.
It's just there, right?
Jiggle yours up a little bit or down. Sorry, Jack.
Alright.
You squirt that end one, please.
Righto. Come on, baby.
Sorry?
You feel that heat straight away.
Yeah. Hang on, Jack.
Yeah, no, I'm not touching it. I'm just holding.
Right. I'll jack it back a bit more. How's that? Ah! Shit. Jacked it up and your bloody hands were in there. Oh, that's better. Whoop. One's in. How's yours, Jack?
Two little ones.
Yeah, that's going. That's going. Just hold on a second, Jack.
Seems to be tight, this here one.
Hold on. Just unscrew it then.
Yeah,
Just spin it around.
yep. Oh yeah. Like that.
Did you unscrew it?
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's good now.
Hey?
It's good now.